Hi Ray, thank you for doing the changes. It's all looking great. I thought I would talk about the blue bar and the loading, and I can see you've sped it up. That's great. I'm just going to clear the cache, and I'll leave it in real time so that we can see this load together on my screen. Maybe different on your screen, and I'll talk through it. So as we're loading in now, I can see the blue bars at the bottom. The map loads in, and then the map finally moves up into position. I'm wondering whether this seems to be kind of a double take, where the map of Australia loads in one position, then moves up to another position. I'm wondering if we could, and I think that that's happening because you have the centre of Australia, or a point somewhere, and that is to load in the centre of the viewport. Correct me if I'm wrong. So that's why Australia appears lower. Then once the blue bar is introduced, it reassesses where the centre of Australia is, and from this point down to this point, and then recenters it. So we're getting this double take of Australia coming in once and then a second time. So I'm wondering if the blue bar could load in full before initializing the map. That way, if I'm correct, Australia would only be positioned once. The next point to talk about, I'm happy with mobile. Mobile looks good. It's in the center. Australia on desktop, as you can see it now, it's a little bit low. To be honest, I would kind of like it basically with the bottom of Tasmania and the top of Cape York up there, so with equal space on either side. That would be more ideal. The other point to raise is that if I zoom in and then I zoom back out, the map drops even further once the zoom out happens. As it once again on mobile, it's fine. Clearing the cache at the moment, it's about there. I would like it actually in the center, and zooming in and zooming out, it seems to end up about there. So if it upon zoom out could be to that position again, that would be great. That's all. If it's not doable, just let me know. And thanks, Ray.